Hi YouTube, I'm Ultimate Gamer 2. Today I'm gonna show you how to download GTA San Andreas multiplayer. Okay, now start. But first you need to have a GTA San Andreas and GTA San Andreas must working. Okay, so we can start to downloading. Type in Google CAMP. Okay, and you go to this page and you go to the wait, to download page to get it, and you download anyone. I going to download Mirror by Little Bit. Okay, I download it and I wait. Okay, now you must run it. Okay, agree, install. Okay, finish, and you have a San Andreas multiplayer. Okay, and first that must work in GTA San Andreas, and the GTA San Andreas multiplayer then working. So thank you guys for watching. For more videos, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.